Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all kinds of Mitsubishi stuff. Today we'll have a look at this. So we have this great trim level for the all new PHEV. It's LE. So in Canada, trim levels go as follows. You have ES, which is the base, then you have LE, then SEL, then GT and GT Premium. There's a lot you get with this upgrade from ES base to LE. There are 14 things that are added visually and inside of the vehicle. We're gonna cover all of those 14 things, what you get when you upgrade from ES to LE trim level. And it's only $4,700 extra compared to the base model. So I think it's very well worth the upgrade if you care about all those things, convenience and whatnot. So right now, let's have a look. What exactly are those 14 things that you are getting with the upgrade from ES to LE trim level? And let's start doing this investigation. So what exactly do you get when you upgrade from ES base to LE, and why it's such a great trim level and such a great choice? We do have, by the way, a base ES right here, so we can see visually it looks almost the same. You have same wheels, sort of like same kind of looks, but there's many things that are different. To upgrade the wheels, by the way, you have to go to SEL trim level. So we have one in the background right there, so that's the SEL trim level. But the story obviously today is about the LE. So let's talk about numbers very quickly before we get into all the other options and details. So the MSRP on the ES base, it's $48,438. That includes the freight and PDI. That's here in Canada. And to upgrade to LE, it's extra $4,700, and that makes the MSRP $53,138 before the paint charges. But the $53,138 already includes the freight and PDI and everything else. Here at Tri-City Mitsubishi, we do not charge over MSRP. So if you're interested to dealing with us, you can go to mrmitsubishi.ca. That's my website. You can go through contact me section there, or simply call the store, ask with somebody in sales, they'll look after you. So right now, let's get to it. We'll do the exterior first, see what's extra, and then we'll do the interior comparison. So exterior, first thing that we have, it's the fog lights right here. So we have LED fog lights on the ES, on the LE trim level. We do not have that on this ES base, as we can see it right here. So the fog lights would be one thing. So then we have these silver painted roof rails. So that's again something that comes extra with this LE trim level. You do not have that on the base. Sunroof, we can see it from here already, right? So sunroof as well, we have that on LE. Now one more thing you have here is the these heated and power folding side mirrors with integrated turn signals. In a weather like this, in the winter time, that option matters a lot. They have power folding side mirrors, and they're heated, so that's a very sought after option. A lot of people ask for that. As we move to the side, we can see from the side view, it basically looks the same. It's just the difference is these roof rail right here is different, and you know, the wheels are the same, everything's the same. Then power lift gate we have on the LE. That is such a great option that is unfortunately missing on base, but as we lift it up, so we can see how nicely it lifts up. It's height adjustable, by the way, so you can adjust the height however you want. But this one does not have the kick motion anymore. So only the GT, the fully loaded, will have the kick motion. They took it away for 2023 models. That's just one thing to keep in mind. So the last thing that kind of we can see from exterior point of view is this keyless entry. So as we approach the vehicle, we have the keyless entry button right here. So if we have the key in our pocket, then we simply press the button right here, and that would unlock the whole vehicle. Very, very good, convenient thing. So we just covered what's different from exterior very quickly. LED fog lamps, heated and power folding side mirrors with integrated turn signals, silver painted roof rails, power liftgate with adjustable height, and fast keyless entry. And now we're gonna move into the interior. And now let's check out the interior, see what's different compared to the base ES. I have the base ES covered in the YouTube channel as well here, so you browse for the video, you'll find it. It's on the playlists. I'm covering all trim levels, so it's easier to see and understand. So when we open the door, we can see how this is different, right? So first of all, a couple of things that pop right away. We have these nice suede seats that are upgraded compared to the regular ES PHEV, and we also have power seats. So you do not have the power seat or this upgrade on your base ES. This one comes extra with LE trim level. Also, we can see how the big sunroof shines and stands out. So obviously this also is an option on LE. You do not have that with the ES. So let's move in and we'll see what else we have different compared to the base. So let's start the engine. I love the startup graphics. I think Mitsubishi has done a great job on that. So the cool thing, by the way, is the screen. So no matter which trim level you go, you'll have this 12.3 inch full LCD screen with two view options. This classic view, or you have the enhanced look. Love it. Such a great design feature. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so once we're inside, we can see that one option that is very important for the winter time is the heated steering wheel. So you do get that as well. Then you also have three zone climate. So you have drivers, passengers, and for the rear, you have that. And one more thing about the screen. So on the base ES, you have an 8-inch screen. This one here is 9-inch screen. So you do get a larger screen. And with that larger screen comes wireless CarPlay. So no cords, no nothing. So on the ES, you do still have the CarPlay, but you have to plug in the cord. On this one is wireless, no cords at all. It's pretty cool. And also you have the navigation powered by TomTom, which is another cool feature that are added with your upgrade to LE. Another one that we can connect with this part here is the 360 camera. As soon as we put in reverse with moving object detection, so we can see we have this bird's eye view right here, and this large screen right here tells you where you're going with those extra lines. And of course you also have the parking sensors as well. And last but not least, you have the access to the mobile app with a 24-month free trial. So anything LE and up, you will have the mobile app access. The base doesn't have it. So the base is an excellent thing if you just, you want your basic PHEV functionality. You don't care about all the bells and whistles. You just want the car. It's great trim level for that. The LE is a very, very nice trim level. It has literally everything you need, all the options, nice upgraded seats, sunroof, power tailgate, heated steering wheel, 3-zone climate control, everything is there. So super cool trim level. So let's have a look very quickly one more time and super fast, briefly, let's cover all 14 things that we just saw that are different on LE compared to base ES. So there we go. LED fog lights, heated and power side mirrors, silver painted roof rails. Then we have power liftgate with adjustable height, fast keyless entry, power driver's seat, suede upgraded seats, panoramic sunroof, heated steering wheel, 3-zone climate control, 9-inch Smartlink display, comes with navigation and wireless Apple CarPlay, navigation, TomTom, I think I said that, 360 camera, moving object detection, and access to your app. So there we go. We just checked out all the things that LE trim level is going to give you. Great trim level compared to ES. Even ES is pretty cool. but this one is better. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and see you in next videos.